Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
A popular Indo-Chinese starter that's made with paneer and has hints of spiciness, tanginess and sweetness. You guessed it, Paneer Chilli. That's what we're making today. We're going to start with shallow frying the paneer, but for that I'm going to make a really delicious coating first. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt. I'm just going to mix this through. And now I'm going to add some water, a tablespoon at a time, until I get the consistency that's just right. So I've added about a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm just making sure that there are no lumps in this batter. So whisk it through really well. I'm going to need about 3 tablespoons of oil, and while that heats up, I'm just going to coat the pieces of paneer in this batter. I've got 200 grams of paneer here, which I've just cut up into cubes. I'm just going to start frying the paneer. Be sure to flip the pieces of paneer in the pan so that they're nice and golden from all sides. So I'm going to take these out of the pan. Now I'm not going to add any more oil to the pan. I'm just going to use up whatever's left in the pan. To this, I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger. Give that a swirl in the pan till the raw smell goes away. Now to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, a 1/4 cup of spring onions that have just been chopped up, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, a tiny pinch of black pepper, some green capsicum, just look to stir fry this on a high flame. The capsicum is nicely stir fried. So now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. This is going to give a slight hint of sweetness as well. Each of these ingredients has plenty of salt in it. Just mix that through really well. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of water to create a little bit of a sauce. Here I have a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch, and to this I'm going to add some water and create a slurry. This is going to help thicken the sauce. Just give that a stir. Make sure that it's nice and smooth, no lumps. And pour that right into the pan. Take the heat up and stir it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Stir that through. And now we're all ready to add the paneer back into the pan. And now just very gently coat the paneer in this beautiful sauce that we've made. The paneer is nicely coated in this beautiful sauce and it's absolutely ready. I'm going to take it off the heat and just add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir that through. And just sprinkle on some spring onions. We're absolutely ready to serve this, and as a final touch, I'm just going to sprinkle on some white sesame seeds just before I serve it. That was our quick recipe for paneer chili. Now you can serve this up as it is, as a starter, or with some egg fried rice. We'll leave a link to that recipe in the description box below. Please like this video and of course, subscribe to Get Curried.